Yeah, my people, guess what? I get confirmation, you know. Yes, I get confirmation, because watch it now. Yesterday, I get a news. You know what I mean? Say, the artist crash and dead. You know what I mean? I never sure or nothing, because you don't know. When I put a dead pan one zine. So watch the element now. A whole heap of great people are drop out from Wadi and a whole heap of good people are drop out of earth, and it's not a good element, because the ones them are do the negative and the bad ones them and the bad weed them forget root up and dash way. Nah, dash way. You see me I say? So watch now people. Black Ryno is in, you know what I mean, stable condition, you know what I mean, they're hospital overseas, I recover from the accident. Yes, it was a car crash, you know what I mean? It was a car crash, but nothing detrimental. So me I say my people, yeah, the artist good, alright, you know what I mean? He might recover. So, you know what I mean, we are listening out to hear something from him shortly. You know what I mean? Even if it's lyrically or, you know what I mean, just talking to him fans them, cause him have him fans them see him, you know, and him fans them still a look for him, you know, and still a listen to him and still, you know what I mean? So him fans them I don't want to hear what go on. You see me I say I full up on what really go on. You see me I say cause you don't know a man make care, you see me I say, and any little thing can go on, you see me I say, and then the ones them with the flashing and braffing and drinking and them something there, yeah man, and now for just go on boom bang, you see me I say, balance in the drinking, balance in the flashing and endorsing, you see me I say, endorsing is good enough, but when you endorse drinking and driving is not a safe something, you see me I say, yeah man, right now my hotline hot as I can hear the beat, them are coming, you see me I say, a beer vibes. You see me I say, so the people that communicate with me and reach out to me, you know what I mean? Yes, so we just keep the thing on a balance for people, keeping updated with beer vibes, beer trending topics, beer things. You see me I say, yeah, if you haven't subscribed as yet, click the bell, you know what I mean? Leave a comment, you see me I say, you can share it with a friend. You know what I mean? If you don't like someone, I say, let me know, tell me, we can talk about it, we can have a debate. You see me I say, yeah, our world with no sympathy and it's beer vibes, and I'm out.